You've walked over them 1,000 times, maybe 10,000. But have you ever stopped to look at a manhole cover? They're round, every single one of them. And that's not an accident. In fact, if someone tried to sell you a square manhole cover, you'd be looking at a very expensive mistake. Most people assume manhole covers are round because, well, circles are easy to roll, right? You can tip one on its edge and roll it out of the way. That's convenient. And it's true. But convenience is never the real reason cities spend millions on infrastructure. There's something much more important happening here. Back in the 1930s, cities were experimenting with all kinds of manhole cover shapes, squares, rectangles, even triangles. And then something started happening. Workers were getting injured. Badly. Because here's the thing about a square cover. If you hold it at the right angle, it can fall straight through its own hole. Diagonal to diagonal, a square is smaller than its opening. A circle? Never. No matter how you turn it, a circle's diameter is always the same. It cannot fall through itself. But it goes deeper. In 1934, a physicist named Philip G. Johnson actually patented the round manhole cover specifically for this safety reason. And here's the part that blows my mind. The round shape also distributes weight evenly. A truck driving over a round cover presses the load outward in all directions, like a wheel. A square cover? The corners take all the stress. They crack. They fail. And when a manhole cover fails in a busy street, you're not just looking at a maintenance problem. You're looking at a lawsuit. But here's the twist that nobody talks about. Round manhole covers are also one of the few objects in public infrastructure that are designed to be stolen. Not by thieves, by the city itself. See, in the 1970s, scrap metal prices skyrocketed, and manhole covers started disappearing. Cities lost thousands. So engineers started designing covers with specific shapes underneath, shapes that only fit their city's lifting tools. A stolen cover from Chicago is useless in New York. The round shape became a security feature. Next time you walk over one, remember, you're standing on a piece of physics, a safety regulation, and a little bit of municipal paranoia, all rolled into one perfect circle. So what else are we walking past every day without noticing? Let me know in the comments what object I should decode next. And if you learned something, that subscribe button is also round, for a reason.